So here is Sonny Angel USA app. So just to install it, tap get, and then double click to install. You should be able to get this app. And then this is the official app for beloved Sonny Angel mini figure by Dreams. He may bring you happiness. Keep up to date on the latest Sonny Angel news. Take and decorate photos to create memories with your Sonny Angel collection and earn the rewards when you shop at a Sonny Angel official online store. Kind of cool just to use the app. Sometimes in the apps they have limited app-only deals. So as you can see here, you can earn SA points on official online store purchases from January 2021 on. And then here is the app. You can find SA points here. For that, you need to create your account. So here's your account. And then you just enter your email address here. Enter CAPTCHA. And then basically from here, you can just start using the app.